we're going to go over this bridge that was built with the help of Challenge Anneka. Tell the viewers what happened there. First go at flying on location.
Yes, first go at flying at this new beautiful location.
And you was trying to do a shot for the viewers flying under this bridge we're walking along.
Yes.
And what happened, Angel? That's loud so we can hear
the
the camera.
battery went low on the drone.
And we saw Angel run.
Run across the bridge. But I caught the drone in my hand.
There you go. So Angel even turned around and hand caught the drone in her hand.
Walking in history, step by step.